3, 2, 1. Huh?
You want to put it somewhere?
Good day, everybody. Welcome back to another upload of It's Dyer thing. I'm here with Sage, and I can tell you sometimes kids can be such a pain in the ass, especially when they keep bugging me
What's time?
to install the battery in the Tenere for the first startup of 2021.
Well, you got the exhaust, so you have to.
Oh, because I got the exhaust, yes. So guys, I've now obtained the Yoshimura, what is it? The RS-12, isn't it? It's the RS-12 Yoshimura pipe, and ever since I ordered it and received it at home, Sage has been bugging me to, oh my God, let's do a startup, right? And I said, I'm not gonna do that until I have, you know, consistent, nice, warm days, because I don't wanna put the battery in and then having to take it out and then put it back in and take it out.
You don't have to take it out and put it back in.
You do. If it stays cold down here, you actually have to do that.
It's always 10 degrees, like you said.
Oh,
so
well, enough. Still, 10 degrees is not enough. So,
yeah, it is.
anyways, so we now have Yoshi pipe. So I'm going to install the battery, and then with you guys, we're going to do the initial first startup for 2021 on the Tenere, so we can get a sound test. Now, again, mind you guys, we are inside a basement or a garage, so the sound will probably be a little bit louder than what it should be.
Echoed.
Am I gonna take it outside? Not today, but we will be riding this weekend, so that's where we'll get a good couple of quality sound tests as we're riding with 2 Teneres, hopefully, and then 2 DR650s. We all have pipes,
Junkers.
except for you. You don't have a pipe yet. All right, let's get this installed.
Where's it going here?
All right. Huh?
Where's it going? Is yours under the
Where's my key?
Is yours under the seat?
Yeah, mine's. Gotta open this up.
This is the most sketchy part.
Why?
Taking that stuff out.
Well, as long as you're not touching this.
No, I'm not even. No, I'm just scared of dropping it.
Oh, what, the little fasteners?
Nothing. Yeah, sure.
Yeah. What happens a lot of times is somebody puts the negative on first, and then goes to put the positive on, and when they're putting the positive on, they touch the frame with their screwdriver, right? And it's like zap, and it's just like, oh snap, right? So just got to make sure you don't touch anything, right? So.
Now you're gonna pull it out when you start it, or are you just gonna leave it here?
No, I'm leaving it here for now. I'm just gonna do a startup,
It's pretty stinky.
just to make you happy. All right, just to make you happy.
Are you taking the battery back out?
No, I'm not gonna take the battery back out. We need it for this weekend.
Exactly. So then there was a point.
Well, because we're
putting
going
it in.
tomorrow, right?
So-
We're gonna go up to John because we got to do your
Springs.
suspension, right? And this goes in there, and this goes in
so
here.
Easy. That's.
Well, it is Yamaha, unlike you, Mr. Suzuki.
I gotta take off
Is there
all the
light?
Fair.
That light's Power. Fuel pump. I'm going to cycle it twice. Are we ready? It is going to be loud because we
No,
got
it's not.
the RS-12 and we're inside. 3, 2, 1. Huh?
That's throaty.
The throaty.
You can feel it.
Throaty. What a nice little engine, eh? I'll just let it warm up just a wee bit here.
It sounds.
Here, let's see if I can get these boys in. Are they on WhatsApp here? Yeah, see if I can get them on the adventure on WhatsApp. I'm going to call them up. See if we can call them up here. Calling at me, what did I do? Calling.
What did I do?
Huh? Are you getting a notification? No. Oh, here he is. Okay. At least we got one of you here, so you can listen, you can hear. Ready? The Tenere is running. Sorry, I can't hear you.
Sounds good.
Anyways, what was that?
Until you blip the throttle, I can't hear anything.
It's actually quite low bass sound, right? It's actually not too bad. So, well, anyways, there you guys have it. Unfortunately, we're back stuck in the dark again. So, as I said, we're gonna be out heading about tomorrow. So we'll be. I'll get a couple of good sound clips for you guys while we're outside. But hopefully you enjoyed that as much as we did on the initial startup with the Yoshimura RS-12 Tenere specific exhaust slip-on sound test. Again, be good, have fun, take care. Again. I know I'm getting messed up here. I'm hungry, I haven't eaten. Be good, have fun, take care, be safe, keep it covered, guys. All right, bye-bye.
Yeah.